Welcome back to this video. If you have been browsing on your Glow line and each time you browse the internet, you used to browse with your airtime on your Glow line and you really want to stop it because of outrageous charges that occur each time you are browsing with airtime on Glow line. Consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply stop browsing with airtime on your Glow line. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone dial app. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply dial star 108 star 2 hash, then hit on send. There's going to bring out this particular message. Dear customer, you are now opting out from Pay Go Data browsing. Press 1 to confirm. Simply type 1 right here and hit on send. Bundle was resubscribed successfully. This is the message you get last. Then you will also get the message from the SMS box right here. Dear customer, now you have successfully opted out from Pay Go Data browsing. It's as simple as that. So what you need to do right here is simply hit on OK. And each time you browse with your Glow line right now, it's going to be from your data bundle in your Glow line. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.